Hi, I'm Leslie. If you love birds, blooms, and backyard magic, you're in the right place. Many native shrubs hold on to berries well into winter. These fruits aren't just food, they're time for when birds need energy the most. Some berries disappear early, others last, quietly waiting for cold days. What we leave standing becomes winter food. Seed heads feed finches, sparrows, and juncos long after flowers fade. Cutting everything back in fall removes an entire season of feeding. Evergreens do double duty. They offer shelter from wind and food from cones and hidden insects. This is why birds return to the same trees again and again. Not every bird eats every plant. But when you plant a mix, berries, seeds, and structure, something is always available. Winter food works best when it's layered across the landscape. These plants quietly support birds all winter, and by February, you begin to see who's been relying on them. You've learned, now just come be here. Thanks for spending a little time with me in the garden today. If you like quiet moments with birds and nature, I'd love to have you back. Until next time, take care of the birds and they'll take care of you.